Hello everyone and welcome to another Go High Level tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to set up the Google Ads tag in a Go High Level funnel. It's extremely easy. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. We are going to start from Google Ads. So what you need to do is to navigate to Google Ads. You're going to click on Tools, you're going to select Data Manager, and here you're going to find your Google tag. You're going to select Manage here under your Google tag. And when the page loads, here you're going to find Installation Instructions. So you're going to click here on this button and you're going to select Install Manually. So here you're going to copy the Google tag. You can press this button to copy the Google tag. And now we're going to navigate to Go High Level. We are going to go to our funnel. So we're going to select the funnel that we want to install the Google tag in. We're going to go to Settings. And once we are here in Settings, under Body Tracking Code, we're going to paste the Google tag. We're going to save. Don't forget to save. And that's it. That's how easy it is to install the Google Ads tag in a Go High Level funnel. Once again, you're going to go to Google Ads. You're going to go to Data Manager. You are going to select your Google tag. You're going to click Manage. You are going to then select Installation Instructions, Install Manually, copy the tracking code. Then you're going to go back to Go High Level, select the funnel, go to Settings. Under Body Tracking Code, you are going to paste the Google tag, and that's all. Don't forget to click Save. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Thank you, everyone.